back to Ryobi UK. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Ryobi workbench RWB03 foldable workbench. Right, first off is the adjustable height we're going to look at. It has 7 levels of adjustment. It adjusts from 76 centimetres to 106 centimetres. I'll put the inches up here somewhere. So again, we have 7 height adjustments. I won't go through them all, but the minimum one is down there. And the maximum one is there, I believe. So obviously I'm a short guy, but you can see that's great height. Any height you need for anything you're doing, perfect, it will come in handy. Right, first off, first thing you have to do is you have to loosen these on the side, on each side, and you can also, the good thing about it is you can adjust the height with your feet, which makes it great. Excuse the sliders. Right, the only thing you've got to be careful of when you do adjust this with your feet, the top will drop straight to the bottom, so you've got to be able to support it with at least one hand while you're trying to do it. So what you do is you put your foot on this lever, push forwards, and down it goes. So if you want it halfway, like that, but you must adjust these, otherwise it's quite rocky. So there's the first feature. Right, next feature we're going to look at is the rotating work surface. I think it's a great feature. This is one of the features why I bought it. I think it'd be really handy, especially when you work alone. Right, it rotates from 0 degrees up to 80 degrees. So it gives you any angle you want to work with. So I think that's a great feature. Again, to adjust it, you must loosen off these. You have to press in, and then you can adjust the work surface. The only problem I think you've got is if your hands aren't big enough, it's quite difficult to put pressure and rotate that. I believe they should have just had one that was attached to the other one somehow mechanically, so you could just press one and rotate it. Right, okay, so once it's fully rotated, you have to clamp something in there and saw it on the side like that. I think that's quite a good feature. Right, next feature we're going to look at, should have done first actually, is the clamping system. Now, you've got the normal workbench clamping system where you rotate with these handles. But another feature which I think is quite good is you can adjust this forwards and backwards, which then allows you to work with wider pieces of wood rather than just being stuck to a smaller. And they're released by these handles here. 2 handles, one each side, backwards. Right, and the second, you've got these clamps on the inside. The small clamps which are totally adjustable up and down, so you'll be able to clamp things between there. And the last clamping system is these little gadgets which you lift to move, like that. And also what's really smart is if you rotate all of these, you're now able to clamp something square. Box to hand for now. Anything that's square, rectangle, anything like that, it's very simple. You can place them in these, put your black clamps underneath for support, place these in, pull these out. Now you're able to clamp something really secure like that. So then if you had something square that you're working and filing on, brilliant for that. Right, also it's very good for clamping things for uprights as well. If you want to clamp something upright, even rebar, anything like that. So you can place something in there like that. Like that, you've got something upright you're able to clamp upright stuff as well, rebar, pipe, anything like that. Right, you can also clamp at any angle you wanted. You could do it, have it up out of that angle. Or you can take it up again, like that. Right, also with these clamps, you can lift and spin them. And you've got various different shapes and sizes for clamping. So you've got a flat surface, so you've got two flat surfaces. You've got your ridges, so if you're clamping something between the ridges, and you've got ridges on the other side as well. There you go. So I think that's another good little feature there. Also they're totally adjustable anyway, and you can take them off so you have a flat surface and just use these small clamps here. Right, that's the clamping system. Right, and the last feature on the workbench is that it's totally foldable. It folds away, takes up less space. There we go. Both legs totally foldable. And there you go. And then you can store it nicely. Store it almost anywhere. And that's a little look at the Ryobi workbench RWB03. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.